Happy birthday, you're on video.
Happy birthday to!
Ay, siya po na. Marumainos na mo, tigamay.
Happy birthday!
Oh, daw may kasama.
Ano style nun niya? Nga nga, ganyan ako.
Thank you, thank you. Hari kami sa amon nga crib. Ay, si Mrs. Johnston.
Hello! Happy birthday, Dad!
Oh, wow, thank you.
Wala pa kapanibin.
Sige lang ni, Benga, uli lang na siya. Oo.
Happy birthday! You're in Texas!
Amo yung master bedroom, ari sa kilid di amo niya.
Okay.
Oh, bawo. Wapo sorry.
Say something! Say something!
You're in video live.
Say something!
Live.
Camera, happy birthday!
Bawo matang bedi.
Gusto lang namin na ipahiwatig kay
Ila tilik ya. Dalom ba?
sarili nating si Phoebus na kaarawan niya ngayon na lubos-lubusan na kataimtim na hindi yung ating makikita sa panahon na ang panahon dumadarating. Kung minsan maliwanag na makikita sa picture natin na umaakyat yung ating edad. Pero nasa buhok na sa kondisyon na alam natin na kung tumatanda tayo, kaarawan niya ngayon at happy ang birthday. Siyempre, lahat-lahat na bagay nalulunsad sa ating kapayapaan na ating makamtan. Makamtan natin na tayo lahat ay nandito na maipasalsal kagabay na nandito tayo sa kanya na mag-celebrar pagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. At happy birthday at maligayang kaarawan, Sir Phoebus.
Maraming salamat.
Ang ating kapatid.
Yeah. What about the mom?
Hari sampala.
We never expected to celebrate the birthday of our wonderful celebrant here in Dallas, Texas. We wish him always a very happy birthday and more blessings as we go along and struggle this valley of years. But most of all, we will never forget that there is only one who can guide and do everything for our destiny. Our everything is in His hands, with the intercession of the Mama Mary, who is now in His home, but in the absence of the celebrant. However, no doubt, Wing will also be happy that we are celebrating his birthday. And may your prayers always be a success, and our beloved Father, Son, and Holy Spirit will always listen and accept our simple but humble supplications. And good luck to everybody out there, and expect us to be home safe tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you. And this is the birthday boy. Hey, something. Dia tulang.
And this is
Ay,
my
yourself.
and this is
Ay, dyan man ako, eh.
That's the way. That's a solo picture.
Oh, me too. Hi, happy birthday.
Oh God.
Masita
Nasa
mo.
crib. Something.
Some
Let something
see, happy birthday.
something.
Attracts me like
Never.
Mrs. Strasbourg.
Ah, puro pula ba yun? Ano daw birthday man dahil?
Siyempre,
Birthday
birthday.
man dahil.
May pula ka dyan?
Okay.
Okay, happy birthday and more birthdays to come.
Thank you.
And more money and good health to come.
Ay,
Happy
wait.
birthday
Bakit
from
talaga?
Bunbun.
O, sunod-sunod na yan, Bunbun ba?
Amara ko na.
Ay, Jupi, tawag yun.
Ay, tawagin.
Sino mapinsar nga birthday mo sa
Pirag may ikaw to, 16?
Hindi, 21.
21 mo dyan, ikaw sa ang Dallas, Texas.
Ah, mo
Eh,
yun
Hindi ko 21 sa narapira ko rabay.
Pwede rin kayo na. Legal
Until
age
legal
rin.
age to party.
Ano pa na?
Okay,
Mm,
so thank
Okay.
you.
1, 2, 3, cut.